To Drive Dynasty, the channel where passion meets performance, and every drive tells a story. If you love cars that blend innovation, design, and future-ready technology, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Renault lineup, a collection that proves Renault is ready to redefine the next generation of mobility. The 2026 Renault lineup is all about electrification, dynamic design, and cutting-edge technology. From compact city cars to bold SUVs and futuristic EVs, Renault's upcoming range is designed to deliver something for everyone. Let's take a look at what the French automaker has prepared for the future of driving. Starting off strong, the 2026 Renault Megane E-Tech continues to lead Renault's electric revolution. With its sleek aerodynamic design, updated LED light signature, and refreshed infotainment system powered by Google integration, the Megane E-Tech offers the perfect blend of efficiency and modernity. Its electric powertrain delivers impressive range and instant torque, making every drive smooth and silent while still fun and responsive. Next up, the 2026 Renault Captur steps up its game with a bolder design and more refined materials inside. It's built to appeal to drivers who want versatility without compromise. The new Captur features hybrid and plug-in hybrid options, offering better performance and reduced emissions. Its upgraded infotainment system and advanced driver assist technologies make it one of the smartest compact SUVs in its class. Then comes the 2026 Renault Austral, a midsize SUV that's all about premium comfort and innovation. The Austral showcases Renault's commitment to clean energy with its E-Tech hybrid system. Inside, you'll find a spacious, tech-filled cabin featuring a large vertical touchscreen, ambient lighting, and an intuitive driving experience that balances performance with efficiency. For those craving adventure, the 2026 Renault Arkana blends coupe-like styling with SUV practicality. Its bold proportions, sporty stance, and hybrid engines make it a standout choice for those who want style without sacrificing function. With refined interiors and enhanced suspension tuning, the Arkana delivers both agility and comfort. Renault hasn't forgotten its urban drivers either. The 2026 Renault Clio gets a complete refresh with sleeker lines, upgraded LED DRLs, and improved hybrid performance. It's compact, efficient, and more connected than ever before, perfect for city life yet capable of weekend escapes. And then, there's the showstopper, the all-electric 2026 Renault 5. A revival of a legendary nameplate, it brings retro-inspired styling into the modern EV world. Compact, quirky, and filled with tech, the Renault 5 is set to be one of the most exciting small electric cars of the decade. Renault's focus on sustainability and innovation continues through its entire 2026 range, where each model embodies the brand's nouvelle vague philosophy, blending emotion, technology, and responsibility. Whether you want electric power, hybrid flexibility, or pure driving excitement, Renault's lineup for 2026 offers it all. So, what do you think about Renault's future vision? Which 2026 model excites you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more automotive insights only on Drive Dynasty, where the future of driving begins today.